Here is a review for GIMP. GIMP is a GNU image manipulation program, and you can download it through the website at version 3.0.6. It is a free and open editor and has high quality photo manipulation. GIMP provides the tools needed for high quality image manipulation, from retouching to restoring to creative composites. The only limit is your imagination. It also gives the artist the power and flexibility to transform images to truly unique ideas. It has graphic design elements and used for producing icons, graphical design elements, and art for user interface components and mockups. As you can see, it has a programming algorithms that you can see on the website, and has a Scribus and Inkscape related companies, and has an extensibility and flexibility use. So this is a good for artworks like you.